Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do the return function in Python. But before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Do it now. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, so we're going to create a function here. And it's going to be add to numbers. And we're going to pass it two arguments, x and y, like that. And then we're going to do, then we're going to do return. And that's going to be x plus y. Okay, and then we're going to do a result. So the result is going to be equal to add to numbers, and we're going to pass it a couple of arguments. So for argument's sake, 5 and 5, and then we're going to print the result. Let's just save it first. Let's just run that. Okay, so the result is 10. So it's added those two together, x and y. Okay, so our next example is going to be a square. So we've got square here, and we've got number. That's our argument. So we've got, oh dear, mistake there. We're going to use return. It's the number to the power of 5. 5 there. Again, result. It's going to be equal to square. And we're going to pass it number. And then we're going to print our result. We'll save it first, of course. Let's run that. Whoops. Name number is not defined. What happened there? Dear, I made a bit of a mistake. I should have put not number in there. I should have put an actual number. Okay, so that's 10. Save it, let's run it. And there we go. Result has come back. Okay, so we're going to go on to our next one now. I'm going to be doing names. So I'm going to say names, and I'm going to pass it a couple of arguments. First argument is f name, and let's see, L name. I'll do it. Yeah, L name, of course. Right. So now we're going to return. I'm going to do a little bit of string formatting here as well, so that's going to be f name and L name. First name, last name. Okay, and then we're going to do the result. So the result is going to be equal to names, and we're going to pass it a couple of arguments. Joe Blogs, traditional English name that, Joe Blogs, and then we're going to print the result. Just save it. Let's run the program. There you go, Joe Blogs. Okay, the next one we're going to do is we're going to input some names. So we're going to use user input. So again, I'm going to create a function called input names. Okay, I'm not passing it any arguments this time because we're going to get user input for that. So we've got f name is equal to import. So just tell the user what we want the user to do. Enter first name. Okay, so L name is equal to import. We'll assign that to import, and that's going to be enter last name. Enter last name. Okay, now we're going to do the return, and we're going to do an F string format string. So that's going to be F name and L name. There you go, F name and L name. Again, result. It's going to be assigned to input names. And we're going to print the result. Just save it first. Okay, let's run it. Enter first name, Pete Duff. There we go, Pete Duff. Okay guys, we don't really need this in here, so I'll just knock that out there. And we don't need any arguments in there, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to save it. Okay, let's run it. Type in 100 plus 7. 107. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will catch you in another video. Bye bye.